To enable and use Do Not Disturb mode on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate sound and vibrations. After we enter it, we can scroll down again until we find Do Not Disturb mode. Enter it, and from here, first option allows you to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode. Then we have options to only enable it and use it only when device is locked. That means if you enable this feature, your Do Not Disturb mode will be on, but you will still receive calls and sounds when your device is unlocked. If in case that you lock your device, then Do Not Disturb mode will toggle and you won't hear any call sounds and etc. Then there's the option to notify you about the calls, and you can select from different presets. Since when you are in Do Not Disturb mode, the whole idea is not to get disturbed. So if you can select the specific contact presets like start contacts only, or anyone. That way, if you select from start contacts only people from that category will be able to reach you. Contacts only is all contacts on your phone, and anyone is basically anyone. Then there's the option for notify about repeated callers. So if you have notify about calls set to none, then if somebody tries to call you a few times, then the ring on the second time will go through and you'll be able to hear that ring. And lastly, there's schedule turn on time for the Do Not Disturb mode. That means you can schedule it to toggle automatically on certain times. You can add your own rules right here and adjust the names for it, change the time when it should start and when it should end, and change when it will repeat. Finally, when you're done, just save it, and that is all of the settings for Do Not Disturb mode. And that is everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.